SB19 is going abroad for an international event? Here's another update of our Mahalima, this time with Pablo in the video at the airport. Now, hindi pa rin natin tukoy kung saan ang kanilang punta at para saang event ito, but now we have one clue. It looks like they are going abroad. Kitang-kita kasi na hawak-hawak ni Stell ang kanyang passport. And we all know na passports are only presented when we are going out of the country. So it looks like may international event ang Mahalima na ayaw pa muna nilang ibahagi. So let's wait for more updates.